Hello, loved ones. Welcome back to our journey as we take a look at each chakra and do a mini Reiki healing session on it. Welcome. You will see I'm using geometric shapes, Reiki symbols, and gemstones, as well as the power of candle magic. We will be adding into our healing session one of our newer tools, which is the sound bowl and bells. So I am doing things a little bit different, but I've had some great results with how we are using these methods as we travel through each of the chakras. So welcome to now. We are working on the throat chakra. This color and shape represents the throat chakra, which is located in your neck. It supports your self-expression and your sense of peace and balance, speaking your truth, communication, and confidence. The color blue also deals with you in association with a relationship. I in the second. This can be considered twin flame energy, partnership, and a mirror. The connection between logical thinking and create logical consciousness. This mirror is about wisdom and seduction. And so you are able to express how you relate in a partnership together, the community, expressing your vision, your idea, and understanding that everything has two sides, the duality of things. Challenges are doubts, split, indecisiveness, over analyzing things, depression, desperation, too much thinking, separation, antagonizing, or in opposition. The crystal that we're going to take a look at today is the blue lace agate. It's also on a geometric shape. But the blue lace agate is about peace, gentle, new beginnings. It is your supportive nudge in the right direction, whispering words of encouragement when you experience self-doubt. It opens your throat chakra and helps ease any blockages in your self-expression. Being seen and heard as a priority. Your feelings are valid and important too. Don't worry about what others will think. Release all fear and judgment and get ready to leave any thoughts of inadequacy behind. The blue lace agate encourages you to start anew because every day is a fresh beginning. This stone is represented by Gemini and Pisces and the planet Mercury. So we will add that into our healing for physical therapy, as well as our stones here. I have, this one is lapis lazuli, and I forgot what this one is. But let's get ready to clear your throat chakra. And we will just concentrate on the energies of the blue agate. It said it so beautifully, okay? thank you so much for the opportunity to work with you. Please understand that you are so magnetic and so powerful, so amazing. I hope you let the energies that we worked with your throat chakra take root and anchor in. May you be blessed as you go forward and anticipate wonderful things coming into your future. See you later.